Operation Storm Watch on WBAP. Brad Barton back in the WBAP Weather Center. As predicted, a severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued for Tarrant County. A severe thunderstorm that we've been watching for the last couple of hours, rumbling through Tarrant County, continuing to move to the northeast, and now it's moving toward the southeastern half of Tarrant County, and that's going under a warning at this time. Stand by as we alert other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming to request the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 11 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 11 o'clock. National Weather Service radar indicates a severe thunderstorm in Johnson County moving to the northeast. It has a history of producing golf ball-sized hail. The storm is now near Joshua, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. South Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, and Mansfield are in the path of this severe thunderstorm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning